Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated luxury vehicles of the year, the all-new 2026 Jaguar. This masterpiece of British engineering brings an irresistible blend of timeless elegance, raw performance, and futuristic tech. So sit tight as we explore every detail that makes the 2026 Jaguar an icon in the making. Let's begin with what instantly captures your attention, the exterior design. The 2026 Jaguar continues its legacy of sleek sophistication with sharper, more aerodynamic lines. The front fascia now features an even more aggressive grille flanked by ultra-slim pixel LED headlights that offer both style and visibility. Jaguar's signature, double J, DRL pattern has been refined to look more dynamic and futuristic. The side profile remains graceful with a coupe-like silhouette, while subtle creases running along the body add a muscular edge. Flush door handles, larger alloy wheel options up to 22 inches, and a floating roof design enhance its premium feel. Around back, you'll find a redesigned rear with a full-width LED light bar and sporty dual exhausts that give it a bold, assertive stance on the road. The car looks like it's in motion even when standing still. Under the hood, Jaguar isn't holding back. The 2026 lineup includes multiple powertrain options, from a refined turbocharged 4-cylinder for everyday elegance to a powerful V6 hybrid system that blends efficiency with thrilling acceleration. For performance lovers, the R Dynamic and SVR trims offer serious firepower. The SVR version, in particular, is expected to deliver over 540 horsepower, making 0 to 60 mph disappear in just about 3.9 seconds. That's sports car territory wrapped in a luxury shell. Jaguar has also enhanced its adaptive suspension system, delivering a smoother ride when you need comfort, and sharpening up when you crave sportiness. With its near 50/50 weight distribution, precise steering, and optional all-wheel drive, the 2026 Jaguar delivers the kind of poised and balanced driving experience that keeps the driver fully engaged and in control. Now step inside, and the experience becomes even more premium. The interior of the 2026 Jaguar is a luxurious retreat built with top-tier craftsmanship. Every surface feels carefully considered, from the soft leather upholstery to the real wood and aluminum accents. The redesigned dashboard flows seamlessly into the door panels, creating a wraparound cockpit feel. At the center is a curved 13.1-inch Pivi Pro touchscreen with haptic feedback, offering faster response and improved functionality. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, and a new 3D surround camera system gives you full visibility in tight spaces. Enhanced ambient lighting and a new cabin air purification system add to the overall sense of wellness and comfort. For rear passengers, Jaguar has ensured just as much attention to detail. With more legroom, reclining rear seats, and optional rear infotainment screens, it's a perfect space for both executive luxury and family travel. The Meridian sound system has also been upgraded to a 1,300-watt setup that makes every playlist come alive with crystal-clear audio quality. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2026 Jaguar starts around $58,000 for the base model, which includes most of the key features like the panoramic sunroof, advanced safety tech, and the digital cockpit. Move up to the R Dynamic trims and you're looking at around $70,000. The high-performance SVR version is expected to top out around $98,000, which is competitive considering the luxury and power on offer. Jaguar is also offering attractive lease and financing options in select markets. So, is the 2026 Jaguar worth it? Absolutely. It's stylish without trying too hard, powerful without being over the top, and modern without sacrificing the classic Jaguar charm. Whether you're a longtime Jaguar fan or just looking for a luxurious ride with serious performance and elegance, this car is built to impress. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more luxury car content, and let me know in the comments what you think of the new 2026 Jaguar. Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.